Hey there, fellow design enthusiasts. It's your favorite real estate agent, Yolanda King, coming to you from the beautiful city of West Palm Beach, Florida. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of accessing the potential for home renovation. Get ready for a wild ride filled with tips, real estate knowledge, and a sprinkle of humor. But before we jump into the renovation rabbit hole, let me introduce myself. I'm Yolanda King, the sweet and funny real estate agent, proudly representing Canvas Real Estate in West Palm Beach, Florida. With 26 years of experience at Lowe's Home Improvement Warehouse and a degree in interior design and architectural engineer, I have seen it all when it comes to renovation. So buckle up and let's get started. Assessing the potential for home renovation is like discovering a hidden treasure. You never know what lies beneath the surface until you start digging. So grab your shovels and let's uncover some valuable tips. Did you know that West Palm Beach, Florida is home to some of the most beautiful mid-century modern architecture? It's like stepping into a time machine. And guess what? These architectural gems often have incredible renovation potential, allowing you to blend the best of the past with modern comforts. Tip number 1, start with a vision. Just like a blank canvas awaits an artist's brushstrokes, your potential renovation project is waiting for your creative touch. Picture yourself walking through the doors of your dream home. What do you see? A cozy reading nook, a chef kitchen, or a spa-like bathroom? Let your imagination run wild and the stage for your renovation adventure. A riddle to tickle your funny bone and challenge your renovation prowess. Here it is. I am always changing, but I never move. What am I? The answer is a layout. Yes, the secret ingredients that can transfer a space without physically moving anything. See, renovation can be mind-bending too. Now let's add some real estate vocabulary words to your renovation toolbox. With my 26 years of experience at Lowe's, I collected quite a few. Our first word is subway tile. No, it's not a sandwich shop for trains, but rather a classic and versatile tile option, often used in kitchens and bathrooms. It's like this little black dress of tiles, always in style and effortlessly chic. Speaking of tiles, let me tell you a funny story from Lowe's I had one day. Once I had a customer who thought grout only came in one color. Needless to say, we had a good laugh and proceeded to explain the importance of grouting tiles, all the joys of home improvement. Oh, budgeting, the ever-present champion of any renovation project. It's like a dance between dance and reality, but fear not, I'm here to guide you through it. Tip number 1, set a realistic budget and stick to it. You don't want your dream renovation turn into a financial nightmare. Consider the cost of materials, labor, permits, and unexpected expenses. It's like being your own financial architect, ensuring your renovation project stands solid on financial ground. Here's a little motivational tip to keep you going through the ups and the downs of renovation. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dream home. It takes time, patience, and a few nail-biting moments along the way. But trust me, the end results will be worth it, every ounce of the effort. And there you have it, my fabulous renovation enthusiasts. Assessing the potential for homes for renovation is like embarking on a grand adventure. With a dash of creativity, a sprinkle of real estate knowledge, and a whole lot of determination, you can transfer a home into a dream home. If you enjoy this video and want to see more of my sweet and funny real estate content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Together, we'll make the world of renovation a little more brighter and more fun. Thanks for watching me, everybody. Bye.